Guys, I look like someone who just came out of a magazine. Wow, andisemhle. I'm even scared of my own self. Andisemhle, beautiful, stunning, gorgeous. What are you even talking about? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girls and and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I am reviewing this hair from Alipearl, and this is a 180 density. This is a body wave, and it's sort of like a bob as well. The density is 180, and it is an ear-to-ear closure. So I've already installed it, as you guys can see, but I'll show you how I installed it. This weave is pretty much like straightforward because this is an HD lace, so when you're putting it on, it melts onto your skin, so it is pretty much easy when you are installing the hair, and that's what I love about the hair. So this is beautiful hair. It's bouncy and it moves, and like, child, look at this, this is beautiful. I already curled it as well. Let me show you how I achieved all of this. Let's go straight into the video. Hey guys, so these are some of the goodies that came with the hair. It came with the bag and the band for the hair, and also wig cap and this scarf over here, which is lovely. It's gonna be usable. And this is the wig. This is how it looks in the inside, and it just looks like a normal wig, but the lace is HD lace. So over here I'm just trying to figure out if the wig is a bit big for me, and I've identified that it's big, so I'm cutting the side. Just make sure that you don't cut too much. You guys can already see over here that this wig looks like it's already melted because it is HD, and that's what I like about the wig. So I'm going in with my Ghost Bond, and I'm applying 2 layers. I let it dry before I melt on my wig, and then I'm going in with the comb just to make sure that it is stuck on properly. So I've sectioned it. I'm going to do it in sections of 3. I've started with the front, and I'm going in with the back of my comb. I will be doing this for all 3 sections, so I'm going to go in with the Ghost Bond again, and I'm going to go in with my comb, the back of my comb, and also the front of my comb, just to make sure that the wig is well melted and it's sitting properly onto my head. Thereafter, I'm gonna do my baby hairs, and then I'm gonna put on the band just to ensure that the wig is stuck on properly onto my head. You guys know that baby hairs, they kill me, child, but I try anyway. And yeah, this is it. Now that we're done with baby hairs, I'm moving on to got to be spray. I put on this spray just to make sure that everything is stuck on properly for any parts that maybe I have missed, and then I'm going in with my band. I'll keep this for like 15 to 20 minutes just to make sure that the weave is well melted. So while I'm waiting for the wig to melt on properly onto my skin, I usually just put on the wax stick and also go in with the hot comb just to make sure that the front part is well laid down properly and it is flat. Also, I'm gonna go in with my curler just to curl the hair, and yeah, this is it. Child, Alipearl is definitely the girl that she thinks she is. Like, look at this. Like, look. I think it is beautiful. It is popping. It is popping. The HD lace, the non-detectable lace. Did you guys see that when I was installing it? Anyway, you guys, thank you very much for tuning in. For those of you who like this wig, I'll definitely leave a link to Alipearl website, and I'm sure there should be a discount over there, so make sure that you check that out. This is a 16-inch and it is a bob and it is HD lace. I will see you guys in my next upload. Thank you very much for tuning in. Until next time, it is peace from me. Bye.